When you post on LinkedIn, are you using hashtags like this one, which is around a particular networking event in Northampton? Because they're a great way not only to make sure your content gets put in front of relevant people, but a way to find other people you might want to connect to, companies, businesses who are using the same hashtag. Here's how you can do that. So just in case you're not familiar with what a hashtag is all about, basically it just collates content by topic, so it gets everybody around the same subject who uses a hashtag. It's very popular in Twitter and Instagram, but yes, it's been brought in the last year or two onto LinkedIn. And the great thing is you can just simply click on a post that you see the hashtag on, click on the hashtag directly, and you can see, you can even follow any updates about that particular hashtag, but you can then see individual posts that use it. And so instantly there'll be people who may have attended the same event as you that you can reach out to on LinkedIn and say, oh, well, let's meet up for a coffee. Are you going to the next one? All that kind of stuff. And with search, it's even better because you can just go and search for that hashtag. And you can get content results specifically, so not just people who might have it in their profile, but just the content that they're sharing. So again, at any time you can go and do that. So you don't have to look out for a particular hashtag in a post, you can just go and search for it. So if I want to now search for what's relevant to me, social media training, let's say, this may give some great insights into companies that I could follow that are offering that kind of opportunity. To make expert comment on particular posts that I see, like this one, how long does content last? The differences between LinkedIn, where it can last a lot longer in terms of someone's view, and Twitter, 18 minutes. And you know, instantly I've discovered something that I might then want to share to a particular person, send as a message to someone, or share overall to my feed, and I recommend the company. So use hashtags. The rule would be not to have more than, say, 2 hashtags in a particular post. You don't want to overload with hashtags, but used constructively, they can really help you focus in on the people and the businesses that you want to connect with and hear more from. So I hope that was helpful. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.